The 33rd session of the Undersecretaries of the Ministries of Environmental Affairs in the Gulf Cooperation Council, or GCC, member states kicked off at Kuwait Sheraton Hotel with large attendance. The meeting is looking into establishing environmental programs and projects that would better protect the environment. Kuwait presented a proposal to the conferees to set up a unified electronic gate for Gulf environmental affairs that would cost 426,000 Kuwaiti dinars, and Kuwait has promised to pay 72% of the total cost. Here is more on the conference in this report by Salim Al-Kindiri.
Kuwait hosted the 33rd session of the Undersecretaries of Environment Affairs Ministries in Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC member states. The conference aimed to move forward with practical actions in tackling better care of the environment. Here's what Director General of Kuwait's Environment Public Authority, EPA, Raja Al-Bsairi, said at the opening speech of the meeting.
The meeting tackles a number of ambitious environment programs and projects such as establishment of a GCC Environment Observatory and special network for studying land deterioration and several other issues. The conferees will also discuss proposals for outlining a framework agreement for joint GCC action to protect the environment and a proposal to fund a GCC Environment Electronic Gate similar to that of Kuwait. The GCC environment agencies have built strategic partnerships and are involved in several cooperation programs with relevant regional and international organizations.
Meanwhile, on his part, the GCC Assistant Secretary General for Environment and Human Affairs, Abdullah Hashim, shed light on a number of achievements of the GCC environment agencies in the past years. Here's what he added to the session.
The GCC environment agencies have managed to promote the message of environment protection across the different sections of society. The Ministerial Council had allocated in its 138th session $3.9 million to develop joint GCC action to safeguard the environment. Meanwhile, the coordination among GCC environment agencies is on the highest level. One of the indicators of the development achieved in this domain was the progress made by Kuwait in the past years. Noting that Kuwait has moved from the 128th place to 44th on the list of the country's work to protect environment.
This conference was a follow-up on last year's GCC ministerial meetings held in Bahrain, which was a follow-up on establishing special teams and committees that will tackle all GCC environmental issues. From the Sheraton Hotel, this is Salim Al-Kindiri reporting for the English News.